Are you ready to truly revolutionize your kitchen and simplify meal prep? Meet the Instant Pot Duo Plus 9in1, your ultimate culinary game changer. This incredible appliance isn't just a pressure cooker. It replaces 9 different kitchen gadgets, freeing up so much counter space. Imagine a slow cooker, rice cooker, sauté pan, steamer, and even a yogurt maker all in one sleek device. It's perfect for any busy home cook. Cooking becomes effortless with its 15 smart, customizable programs, letting you whip up anything from cakes to perfectly steamed veggies with a single touch. Whether you're making dinner for one or feeding the whole family, these presets take the guesswork out of delicious, healthy meals every time. Plus, the durable stainless steel inner pot means healthier cooking and super easy cleanup. No more scrubbing burnt-on messes. If you're searching for the best multi-cooker or a smart kitchen upgrade for 2025, this Instant Pot model truly stands out from the competition. Ready to transform your cooking experience? You can find the Instant Pot Duo Plus on Amazon by clicking the link in the description below. It's not just an appliance. It's an investment in quicker, easier, and tastier meals that you'll love preparing. For anyone serious about upgrading their kitchen this year, the Instant Pot Duo Plus 9in1 is an absolute must-have.